DIY Hair Growth Shampoo and Conditioner, natural and effective. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a special project for your hair care routine, a DIY hair growth shampoo and conditioner you can make right at home. If you've been frustrated with expensive products that promise results but don't deliver, or if you're looking for something safe, natural, and effective, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about the benefits of these ingredients. Each one plays an important role in nourishing your hair and promoting growth. The base of our shampoo is liquid castile soap, a gentle cleanser made from natural oils. It effectively cleanses your scalp without stripping away the natural oils your hair needs to stay healthy. Next, we have aloe vera gel, a powerful natural moisturizer. It soothes an itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and promotes hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. We'll add rosemary essential oil and peppermint essential oil for their incredible hair growth properties. Rosemary improves circulation to the scalp and has been used for centuries to promote hair growth. Peppermint provides a cooling sensation that increases blood flow, stimulating hair follicles. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture. Dry hair often leads to breakage, so adding honey to your shampoo will keep your hair hydrated and shiny. Finally, jojoba oil is packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, B-complex, and zinc. It mimics the natural oils of your scalp and strengthens the hair shaft, reducing breakage. Now let's make the shampoo. You'll need 1 cup of liquid castile soap, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, 10 drops of peppermint essential oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Combine all these ingredients in a clean bottle. Shake it well, and your shampoo is ready to use. Massage it gently into your scalp for 2-3 minutes to stimulate blood flow, then rinse thoroughly. Let's move on to the conditioner. The first ingredient is coconut milk. Rich in lauric acid, it nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair cuticles. Coconut milk is also deeply hydrating, leaving your hair soft and silky. Coconut oil or argan oil adds even more moisture. These oils seal in hydration, reduce frizz, and protect your hair from environmental damage. We'll also use aloe vera gel, which we talked about earlier, and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar balances the pH of your scalp, removes product buildup, and smooths the hair cuticle for a glossy finish. Lastly, we'll add rosemary essential oil again for growth and lavender essential oil to calm the scalp and reduce stress. Stress is a major contributor to hair loss, so incorporating lavender can help relax both you and your hair follicles. Here's what you'll need for the conditioner. 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons coconut or argan oil, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 5 drops rosemary essential oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil, and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until smooth. Apply the conditioner to damp hair after shampooing, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with cool water. And there you have it, your very own natural hair growth shampoo and conditioner. These recipes are free of harsh chemicals, affordable, and effective. By nourishing your scalp and hair with these natural ingredients, you're promoting growth and improving overall hair health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who's on a natural hair care journey. Let me know in the comments if you try these recipes and how they work for you. See you at the next video. Bye.